Good morning. Welcome to Charlevoix Public Library's Virtual Takeout Tuesdays. Today we're going to go over some breathing techniques, and we have some really great kits that we have available for you to pick up in the library. If you'd like to come in person or call us, we'll bring it out for you to curbside. And there's some aromatherapy products in there this week for you to enjoy. So we're going to go over some breathing exercises, and then you can hopefully practice these at home when you have your kits and your aromatherapy tools. We're going to start out by how we're sitting. There's many different ways to sit, to relax and meditate and focus on your breathing that you are usually. One of the poses I'm going to show you today is the chair pose. How I'm sitting now, just like I'm in a chair. You can do this pretty much anywhere. If you're outside, you can do it on a log or a rock, or you can sit on the ground with your legs forward and your back straight. And you're going to close your eyes and relax. And you're going to feel every part of your body. And you're going to take a deep breath, 3 breaths. One, 2, 3. And notice when I take a breath, I'm taking a breath through my nose and I'm breathing out through my mouth in a slow way. We're going to go over some breathing techniques. When you meditate, it's important that you stay alert, you are resting your mind, and you are in a natural state at peace, meaning that you are just feeling calm and you're not really thinking about all the things that are distracting you from relaxing. So you are going to work on your breathing of 3 breaths. Be sure when you're breathing that you're breathing in through your mouth really heavily, like you don't want to breathe like that. You want to breathe in deep into your stomach. Feel your stomach rise. Let that breaths out slowly. You want to focus. You want to feel if you're having any aches in your body, any itches, anything's hurting, and you just want to keep your body still and keep it relaxed so that you can feel all those things that your body's experiencing. Feeling your feet on the floor. Staying calm for a moment to feel your heartbeat. And just be aware of all those things that you're going through at the moment of trying to reach this state of relaxation. This is something you can remember by remembering your best friend forever, BFF. So you're going to breathe, you're going to focus, and you're going to feel. So remember those 3 things. Breathe, focus, feel. You can do this anywhere you are. Sometimes when there's a lot going on, you might think it's a better thing that you can always meditate in a place where there's always quietness and calmness, but meditation is something you can do anywhere. So if you do those things and you breathe, you focus, and you feel, you can reach the state of mindfulness meditation anywhere that you are. And this helps your body regroup, it helps your body stay calm, it helps you pay attention to what's going on in your surroundings and get through experiences that might be stressful for you. So we're going to practice our breathing right now. We're going to take a deep breath, 3 of them. That was 1. 2. 3. One thing that we are going to give you in your kits that you can pick up at the library is lavender. So lavender is a plant. It's a flower. It's a flowering plant, and this is not real lavender. This is fake lavender, but it looks just like this, and it grows a lot in the summertime around here in northern Michigan. Many people plant it in their gardens, and you probably can pick up some oils at the drugstores in the local Charlotte area, or you can come and pick up your mindfulness kit, and we'll be giving you a little bit this week in the mindfulness kits that we have available. And the flower, what they do is when the oil is processed to come out of the plant, they crush it and squeeze it, and they press the oil out. And so that's what we're giving you is the oil. The oil we are providing for you is safe to use on your skin as long as you use some other oil with it, so it's not like all at once on your skin. We have some bath bomb materials we're going to give you so that you can put some salts and some sugar in the bathtub and help your skin and your body just feel refreshed. So I want you to think about the things that you've learned about breathing. Remember, your best friend forever. Breathe, focus, and feel. And when you have your mindfulness kit at home and you're smelling your lavender and you're recognizing everything that your body is feeling and experiencing, this will help you reach a state of relaxation so that when you're having a busy time in your life where there's a lot happening, a lot going on, you can regroup and focus and think of those moments, or think of the scent of lavender will remind you and bring you back to this moment of just total relaxation so that you can just feel calm and chill and just enjoy the moment that you're living in. So thank you for joining us today. We hope that you come back and visit us again next month when we have more mindfulness tips for you. Thank you.